What happened, DEEPAQ? I want new toys. You want Playdoh? Yeah! Let's go get it. Playdoh. I want all colors. All colors? $50, please. Here you go. Here's the change. Thank you. I want it. How much it cost? How much is it? It's not for sale. That's my magical machine. I want it. How much is it? How much money do you want? I can give it. Sure, because it's gonna be a lot of money. Okay, tell me how much. Okay, but it's gonna be $100 only because it's my magic machine. $100?
Wow!
Please get it for me. Please get it for me. Oh, I guess I get it. Here you go. Let me just help you guys out. Okay, that's enough for the day. I think we should go home. Yeah. It's really heavy. Wow. Let's try the machine. Yeah! There's nothing.
Oh no!
I spent all my money for this. What you guys doing? And how did you get so much Play-Doh? We bought it from the store. And what is this tiny machine you guys got? Guy said it's a magic machine. It's magic, but it's a waste of money. It doesn't even work. What else did you guys get from the place? Play-Doh. Okay, what if we put Play-Doh inside the machine? Are you sure? It worked!
Wow!
It's crazy though. Let's try pink. Oh my god, I got a lipstick.
Wow!
Oh, come on. So much time in the washroom doing your makeup. So cool. It's magic. I only thought that was Harry Potter. But look, I'm going with green. Why do you always talk about Harry Potter? Oh yeah. It's green color. What is that thing? It's blue. Whoa! It's fingerlings. Look, people. And what's inside? Whoa! This mini guy's so cute. This girl looks so cute. What is this movie? Is it cherry? And the rainbow. Wow, this is really tight, so I think we're gonna get all of it so it's fine. I hope this works. That's gonna be so long. Now let's check. Guys, it's a rainbow! Wow! Let's check it out. That's pink, orange, purple, red, and a also blue and rainbow.